Once in a while, a motorcycle emerges that does more than raise the bar it smashes through it and redefines the expectations for an entire category. The 2025 BMW M1000X is exactly that kind of motorcycle. It is neither a conventional superbike nor a typical touring machine. Instead, it's a hyper-tourer, a category so new and niche that only a few machines dare to claim the title. This motorcycle is not about compromise. It doesn't water down speed to chase comfort, nor does it abandon comfort to chase lap times. It's a rare engineering feat that brings both extremes together, ferocious power and luxurious endurance. BMW didn't just build a faster XR, they built a motorcycle that transcends segments. Let's explore how this machine rewrites the rules of motorcycle performance, why it might just be the most complete motorcycle BMW has ever produced. Born from racing bloodlines, M badge is not handed out lightly by BMW in the automotive world. It symbolizes racing heritage, track-honed dynamics, and refined aggression. Transferring that philosophy to two wheels, the M1000X is born from the same DNA that powers the BMW S1000R, the company's world superbike contender. Its 999cc inline-4 engine delivers a staggering 201 horsepower, making it the most powerful production adventure-style touring motorcycle available. The engine features shift-cam technology, which adjusts valve timing and lift to optimize power and torque delivery across the rev range. On the street, this translates to seamless low-end torque for city riding and instant access to arm stretching. Acceleration at higher speeds. It doesn't matter if you're overtaking on a freeway or screaming through a mountain pass, power is always there, and it comes on in a way that feels controlled, yet addictive. There's no lag, no hesitation, just immediate and relentless forward motion. Electronics that empower, not restrict. Motorcycles are increasingly dominated by electronic rider aids, and rightly so. When dealing with over 200 horsepower and road surfaces that aren't always ideal, these technologies are essential. The brilliance of the M1000X lies in how much control it gives back to the rider. You get a full suite of riding modes: rain, road, dynamic, race, and pro, with Pro 1 to 3 customizable. In Pro modes, you can tailor throttle response to traction, control levels, wheelie control, engine braking hubs, and slide control. You can go as mild or wild as you like. Want a smooth tour through gentle countryside roads? Keep it in road mode. Want to simulate track behavior on your favorite twisty back roads? Dial up Race Pro 3 and unleash it. The launch control system and pit lane speed limiter aren't just gimmicks, they're tools for riders who demand precision, even in street conditions. Meanwhile, cornering ABS and lean-sensitive traction control ensure the bike remains predictable, no matter how hard it's pushed. This isn't about masking the power. It's about helping riders unlock all of it safely and skillfully, from canyons to highways, designed for real-world riding. While M1000X shares performance DNA with the S1000RR, it feels worlds apart in ergonomics. You sit upright with excellent visibility, your wrists are unburdened, and your legs rest naturally. The handlebar is wide and allows for precise steering inputs without requiring a racer's crouch. For anyone used to sport bikes, the comfort is immediately noticeable and deeply appreciated. BMW has fitted the XR with dynamic ESA electronic suspension adjustment. This adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts damping based on road conditions and rider input in real time. Whether cruising over highway imperfections or pressing into a hard lean at speed, the suspension keeps the ride composed, communicative, and compliant. The bike also features high-end braking components, twin 320mm front discs with BMW's signature M calipers, delivering strong and progressive braking with incredible feel at the lever. Stopping power is never in question. Long-distance comfort doesn't end at suspension and seating. The bike includes heated grips, cruise control, and a full-color 6.5-inch TFT screen with integrated navigation and smartphone connectivity. With options like hard luggage, taller windscreens, and carbon wheels, The XR can be tailored for serious touring or lightweight corner carving. Everyday usability. Track level through alone of the most impressive aspects of the M1000XR is how accessible it makes extreme performance. Unlike track-specific superbikes that require aggressive body positioning and focused attention at all times, the XR is docile when you need it to be. It handles daily commuting duties with ease, especially thanks to its balanced weight distribution, responsive throttle, and ride-by-wire smoothness. Yet with one flick of the riding mode switch, it transforms into an animal, where many motorcycles compromise tourers giving up excitement, and sport bikes sacrificing comfort. The M1000XR refuses to settle. It's as eager to dominate a track day it is to handle a 500-mile weekend ride. This dual personality is what makes it so revolutionary. You don't have to own two motorcycles to live both experiences. The M1000XR gives you everything in one aggressive, beautiful, and technologically advanced package. A premium price for premium capability. There's no denying that the M1000XR sits in premium territory. Its base price puts it in the company of exotic Italian machines like the Ducati Multistrada V4RS or even the Kawasaki H2SXSE. But the value isn't just in the horsepower. It's in how BMW has integrated race-proven engineering with street-wise functionality. You're not just paying for performance, you're paying for refinement, innovation, and the sheer versatility of a bike that adapts to your every riding desire. From adrenaline-fueled weekend rides to multi-day journeys and weekday commutes, this motorcycle doesn't blink. It is always ready, always thrilling, and always comfortable. Final word. Evolution onto wheels. 2025 BMW M1000XR doesn't just represent the next chapter in motorcycle evolution, it writes an entirely new book. It bridges gaps that many believed were impossible to connect. It proves that a motorcycle can be both a race-bred monster and a plush mile eater. That it can scream down a straight at 150 miles per hour and roll into a hotel parking lot in comfort. This is what hypertouring looks like: extreme capability with daily usability. And the M1000XR stands alone at the top of this emerging segment. If you've been searching for the one bike that can do it all, the one machine that doesn't ask you to choose between your love for performance and your need for practicality, the 2025 BMW M1000XR may just be the most honest answer the motorcycle world has ever produced.